This is ECOC TV on the Inphi stand. I'm talking to Siddharth Sheth. Siddharth, you've given a presentation in the Market Focus a few minutes ago. Tell us what were the main highlights.
The main highlights of the presentation that I made at Market Focus were focused on how do we increase the bandwidth on traditional data center switches that go into these massive data centers. So, we were talking about data centers that are being deployed by the likes of Amazon and Google and Facebook and Yahoo, who are, increasing the size of their data centers exponentially to accommodate for the amount of traffic that needs to flow through those data centers. And what these large cloud data center guys would like to do is to get their hands on tons and tons of bandwidth at the right price point. And currently there is a challenge in the industry in terms of how do we get to 100 gigabits per second interfaces on these large switches that get deployed in these data centers at the right price point. And what my talk was all about was, exploring ideas and ways to get to that right price point for 100 gigabits per second interfaces on these large switches.
Yeah, and I think you've come up with a solution.
Yes, we have, and we are showcasing that at the show this time. We had an announcement at the show on Monday where we announced our 100 gig CMOS chip that has gone to production. And taking a step back, what we are enabling as a company is really low cost, low power, CMOS based 100 gig chips that can be fitted into these large switches that would enable lower cost and lower power 100 gig interconnects. One of the things that needs to happen to get to low price points is to build these products in commercialized processes. And when I talk about CMOS is a process that has been around for many years. Most of the high volume applications, cell phones, PCs, tablet computers, etc., use chips that are typically made in a CMOS process. And obviously the process is highly commercialized. So what we have done at Inphi is take our 100 gig chip and build it in a CMOS process so that it can be commercialized very quickly. And we are playing our part in that problem-solving exercise where we want to get to really aggressive price points on 100 gigabits per second interfaces on these switches.
Now, while a lot of people talk about the theory, you've actually delivered. I think you've actually got one to show us.
Absolutely, and here is the chip itself. This is an evaluation board for the product. This right here is the 100 gig chip that I just talked about that has been built in a CMOS process. And we are showcasing an active demo of this product working in our booth. You can also see the same product at the OIF booth right across, which shows this chip working in an ecosystem environment with other components, other module vendors, other connector vendors. So this product is real, it is now, it's production ready, and it is working with various other vendors in the ecosystem.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations, and thanks very much for talking to us.
Thank you very much.